But are there any actions taken to them? Because this is an obvious case of bias, right? All the witnesses...
the actions might not have been taken.
Okay.
But this itself is an indictment.
Right.
The subsequent trial and subsequent judgment itself is an indictment of the previous judgment.
But
when you make a retrial, that means the first trial was virtually a non-trial.
Right, right. But there are no provisions of taking an action against these judges?
No, against the judgments for delivering a wrong judgment.
Yes.
Thanks. Sir, removal of justices in the Supreme Court, you would have Supreme Judicial Council or impeachment?
Impeachment.
Sir, I would like to know about some of your PILs, like as a part of judiciary, as a judge, you must have delivered lots of judgments on public interest litigation
yes, I have.
Cases. Maybe one which you think most important in your past career as a judge.
Well, I don't say anything which one is most important, but I have delivered one judgment, I tell you, as if it comes to my mind. What happened? That it was in the state of Maharashtra. In the state of Maharashtra, there is an area called Vidarbha. That's an area. Maharashtra, you see, is one of the most prosperous states in India. Bombay. In Vidarbha, what happened is there are many farmers who commit suicide because of rural indebtedness. They take money from the money lenders, they cannot pay, and then the money and the interest, they assume such huge proportion, they are ultimately sold off and they commit suicide. Now, in one of those cases, the moneylenders go on sort of doing all kinds of atrocities on those who are the borrowers. So what happened in a says 34 or 35 FIRs were filed against the moneylenders, particular moneylenders family. They are a family of moneylenders. Now, out of that family of moneylenders, one was an MLA. He went to his chief minister. That chief minister's name was Mr. Vilas Rao Desmukh. And that chief minister then, when a complaint was made to him by his MLA, the chief minister called the GM and SP of that area, of that particular area, and said, don't accept any FIR against the family of these people. If an FIR is filed against the family of these people, first send the FIR to a committee, which is a hand-picked, non-statutory committee. And if the committee says, yes, FIR, there is some substance, then it go to the local GP, government pillar. Then if he says yes, then only you can take action on the FIR. This was challenged before the Bombay High Court. Bombay High Court quashed these directions. And then against that, the state of Maharashtra filed an appeal. It came up in a PIA, appeal before the Supreme Court. There I was party to a judgment, or division bench delivered an elaborate judgment, saying that the chief minister cannot rise above the law. He cannot create different forums. If the FIR, which FIR has to be taken cognizance of, is clearly stated in the law. He cannot create a different forum in order to protect some persons from criminal prosecution. There I quashed it and slapped a fine of 10 lakhs. And that chief minister later on became a union minister, cabinet minister. Nothing happened. The amount was paid. Everything was quashed. But that, because of that judgment, the minister did not lose his position. That this is our democracy. Unfortunately, that man died. That's the reason. He died out of natural causes. There are many things we have done, but this is what comes to my mind. Yes, it's important. Supreme Court. Yeah. I think it is important. Yeah, Gonzalez, it is important.
Yes, sir. The last job is from